Okay, so yeah, you edit a photo real quick using Photoshop actions. So first thing you do, go to where you have installed your action on window, actions, then click play on your action, press stop. It already comes on brush tool, so you come and brush it, brush the skin well. Make sure you brush properly, because if you over brush it, you can destroy the photo. Come on the hands, brush it well. Make sure you don't forget no path missing. To add the size of the brush is brackets. To zoom and zoom, you press Alt and roll your keyboard. And now merge, create another background copy, merge with the skin retouched. Go to filter, camera raw in case you have it. Then zoom the high, come to adjustment brush. Then if you have not yet set, copy the same settings, that's mine. Then start adjusting your high to the where you want it. Make it white. Yep. It's so easy like that. Come to the teeth, do it one by one, because this kind of white, it attacks everything if you make it personal. So do it one by one properly, adjust the size, decrease. Then press OK. Then boom, you have it. Complete different person. Now come to quick selection tool. Select. It's the easiest to select faster. Zoom. Make sure if you're selecting, you zoom so that you can be able to see well. Zoom. And unzoom. Click further, put it radius on 2, then press Ctrl J on your keyboard. Then you can leave to see, then boom, you have it. I give it a white background, then you'll be seeing the same thing on our YouTube thumbnail. Yep, that's how you do it, real quick, so fast, no waste of time. Thanks for watching.